Hello, Professor Morgan here, showing you a cool little trick in Outlook to have it so you can compose an email, but not send it right away, and choose when it's going to be sent. And so, why would you want to do that? Well, sometimes, if you want to send something just during business hours, but let's say that you compose an email, the night before or something, whatever, but you know that the person's, if you send them the email at 11 o'clock at night, and then they're going to wake up the next morning and they're going to get a billion emails and it's going to be buried way at the bottom. You can have it be sent out at specifically the time you know that they're going to catch their attention. So that's one reason I use it. Okay, so I've redacted some certain information that whatever. So I've composed an email here. I'm sending it to this guy. That's me. And then let's just say whatever the title is. Okay. So instead of if I just hit the send button, boom, it'll send it to this person right now. Okay, and it will go into their inbox right now. But what if I don't want it to go into their inbox right now? Let's say I know they're not going to be available, even have a chance to look at it until a certain time in the future. Well, that's when we're going to go and show you this little trick. So if you click on this little chevron button right here, okay, I'm going to show you what happens. When you click on that, then it pulls up this thing where you can do send, schedule send, and then start mail merge. We're not going to deal with that one. We're just talking about schedule send. So schedule send. So that's what so when I click on schedule send, the next thing it's going to do is bring up a window right here. And so this will pop up in the middle of the screen, kind of over the top of your email. So I just kind of isolated this part. And it gives you some defaults. You can say, well, okay, so I'm writing this, I'm creating this video on a Monday. So it'll say, hey, do you want to just have it go out tomorrow, at 8 o'clock, or heck, we could even have it send it on Sunday morning. Okay, so it already has those kind of defaulted, but what if you don't want to have it be at this particular time? Okay, well, that's when we go over here and click on the custom time here. So if you want to tomorrow morning, you would just click on that and then hit send, and then it would schedule it to send it at 8 o'clock on Tuesday morning. But what happens if we want to do it at a different time? So if I click on custom time, then it actually brings up this window here where this should look familiar. So you could actually scroll through and find, you could do it several days in the future. And you could use this date as a picker. So again, if you click on the little icon right here, it'll pull up this, whatever. You can just choose whatever day you want. And then this drag down menu will select a time. So, so let's say I know a colleague is got meetings all day Tuesday morning, but I know they're going to be available at 2 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule this to go out at, let's say, 2 o'clock. And I would just do that by hitting this, and then I would hit send. Now, something to note that once you've done this, you'll note that this email that you've composed will sit in your drafts. So if you go back, go back. I want to go back. Okay. So drafts right there. See that? So it'll show up as a draft because you haven't sent it yet. Okay. But it will send. Okay. So once that whatever time you set happens, it'll send it out and it'll go out of your drafts. So anyway, that's just a neat little trick that's helpful. I found it as far as with people with time management constraints and stuff like this, and when I really want to get the message across, this is just a helpful tool to use. So hope that'll help you as well. All right, thanks a lot.